Hello children, good morning everybody. Welcome to our channel Smart Study. In today's class, what I am going to discuss means notes of the third lesson, that is safety first. Till now all we have learnt about the safety rules, what to take in the playground, school, home, yes or no, while going on the road, and also about first aid I have told you. Now we have completed the lesson, right? In this class we shall read the notes. First one, what are the hard words I am reading? Listen here. Hard words. First one is what? Accident. Accident spelling is what? I am splitting ACCIDENT. Accident. Next one is medicine. 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 Okay, first one is accident. Second is medicine. Now moving to the third one. Alert. 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 Fourth one is what? Shock. 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 Fifth one is electric. Electric shock, will say no, that one. ELECTRIC. 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 Sixth one is what? Traffic. 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 Now moving to the next one. First aid. You all know the spelling. FIRST first, AID, aid. Next one is what? Fainting. Kallu tirigi padipovam antam kadana, that one. Fainting. 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 Okay, fainting. Next one is what? Wasp. WASP. Wasp or sting, both are same. Bee sting will say no, kandiriga. Okay, WASP, wasp. Next one is what? Sting. STING, sting. Next one, hygiene. Personal hygiene, keeping ourselves, will say no, keeping neat is called as nothing but hygiene. HYGIENE, hygiene. HYGIENE, hygiene. Next one is what? Antiseptic. ANTI, anti. SEPTIC, septic. Antiseptic. What is the meaning of antiseptic? Somebody has asked me. Antiseptic means nothing but, suppose if you got injury anywhere, okay, if you got hurt anywhere, there near that wound, what will happen? Till there only, if you observe this antiseptic lotion, it won't spread to other parts. That means it will not get the infection if you apply this. Without getting infection, it will protect us. Antiseptic lotion. That means without spreading to other parts. This is known as a antiseptic. Next one is what? Bandage. BANDAGE, bandage. Last one is what? Calamine. Lotion, I told no, when it got burnt anywhere, we should apply this. CALAMINE. Calamine lotion. Okay, some will keep Bernol also. Anything we can keep if it is burnt anywhere. CALAMINE. Now these are the hard words. Now we shall move to the bits. First bit, what is there here? I am zooming it. Tick the correct answers. What should not be done in case of minor burns? Burns means what? Kalipodam. Major means big, I told. Minor means what I told? Small. Yes or no? What they are asking in the question, what should not be done in case of minor burns? First option, putting ice pack on the affected area. We can put ice pack, there is no problem. Which is wrong, they are asking to say. Putting bandage affected over the affected area. No, it is wrong. If it is burnt anywhere, we should not tie the bandage. So this is our answer. What should not be done, they are asking. What should be done means these both will come. Putting ice pack we can do. Putting antiseptic lotion on the affected area also we can do. They are asking what should not be done. No, means putting bandage over affected area. Wherever it is burnt, we should not tie the bandage. So B is our answer. Option B. Now moving to the next bit. I'm zooming it. Okay, first question, what is there here? It is not that much clear also. I am reading, you can listen. First one, what is there? Which of the following is poisonous? In this, they have given some items. In this, which is poisonous? They are asking. Ice cream? No, it is not poisonous. Toffees? No. Naphthalene balls? Yes, they are poisonous. So option C is our answer. Moving to the next bit. Where on the road should you drive your bicycle? Okay, suppose if you are going on the road, which side you should ride? They are asking on the bicycle. Left side of the road, right side of the road, on the pavement. Where you should drive while riding the bicycle? On the left side of the road. Every time when you are driving, not only bicycle, any vehicle, we should drive where? Left side of the road. Right side, who are walking by footpath, right side they will walk, on the left side vehicles should go. Okay, next one. We should do this for our turn at the rights. What we should do for our turn at the rights? Fight, wait, push other. Wait is our answer. We should wait for our turn at the rights. I have told you in lesson. Next one. Avoid this if someone has fainted. Fainted ante kallu tirigi padipodam. Okay. What we should avoid if someone has fainted? Calling a doctor. No, if he is fainted, we should call the doctor. Crowding at the place, helping the person to lie down. Which we should avoid, which we should not do. We can call a doctor, no problem. Helping the person to lie down. If we help that person to lie down also, no problem. But crowding at the place, crowding ante gumpu guddam antam kadana. Oh, so everybody crowded at that place, the particular patient will not get the fresh air. Yes or no? So we should not do when any person is fainted. Option B is our answer. That is crowding at the place. Okay. Now moving to the B bit, that is fill in the blanks. All answers I have written here already. See, we should dash doors and windows if we smell gas in the kitchen. If any smell comes from the kitchen, what we should do immediately from the gas? Immediately we should open the doors and windows. So what is the answer? Open. Spelling O-P. This is O-P-E-N. Open. Okay. Next one. If you do not maintain hygiene around a cut would not, that is wound. Okay, this printing mistake came here. This is wound, W-O-U-N-D. That is not wood, children, W-O-U-N-D. So, if you do not around a cut wound, it may develop and dash. What did I told for you? Antiseptic. Just now I told. Infection. If you are not, hygiene means what? Keeping it neat. If you are not keep neatly where you have got wound, all the dust will enter into that. Still it will spread to other parts also. That means nothing but infection. So, what is the answer? I-N, spelling infection. I-N-F-E-C-T-I-O-N, infection. Okay. If you do not maintain hygiene around a cut wound, it may develop an infection. Shall I write spelling? Here it is there. No, I am saying again. Listen. I-N-F-E-C-T-I-O-N. Next one. Third. If we touch an electrical switch with wet hands, we may get an electrical dash. If you touch the electrical switches, what will happen? Or sockets with the wet hands. Wet means what I told? Tadi chetulto. What will happen? Immediately you will get the shock, electrical shock. So what is the answer? S-H-O-C-K. Shock is the answer. Next one. We should cross the road at dash only. Where you should cross the road? I told for you at zebra crossing only. What is the spelling of zebra, children? Z-E-B-R-A. Zebra. Now last fill in the blank. We should follow the dash of the game. What you should follow in the game? Rules you should follow definitely. So spelling is what? R-U-L-E-S. Rules. This is L. Okay. R-U-L-E-S. Rules. Now moving to the true or false. See here, first question I am reading. First one. One should always take a medicine after consulting a doctor. Yes. Is it true or false? Immediately if anything happen for you, you will go to doctor, he will give you some prescription, means any medicine he will give. Immediately you should take that medicine. Then only we can recover. So answer is what? True. I wrote here T, you see. So first answer is what, children? True. True means I am writing T. False means F. Second one. We should not run on a wet floor. Yes or no? Yes. We should not run on the wet floor. If you run, what will happen? You will slip and fall down and you may get hurt. Next one. We should enjoy standing in front of a swing when another child is swinging. Is it right? No. When any person is swinging in the swing, if you go and stand in front of her, what will happen? You will fall down. Okay, that girl who is swinging on the swing, she may come and hit you. Then there is a chance of falling and you will get hurt. So that is wrong. So answer is what? False. F. Next one, we should walk anywhere on the road? No, it is not false. We should not walk anywhere. We are having some rules, traffic rules. We should follow them and walk anywhere. On the footpath, you should walk. Yes or no? While crossing the road, you should cross on the zebra crossing only. Next one. So answer is false. Fourth one. Last one is what? We should always keep our toys back at their right place after playing. Yes, after playing, all toys you should keep in your shelves or cupboards. Then only it will be neat. If you are not kept, what will happen? Anybody walks through that, they will if they have step on that toys means they will slip and fall. Yes or no? So we should keep all the toys in the proper place after playing. That only they have given. So answer is what, children? True. Okay. Now moving to the match the following. I am zooming it. Now is it okay? See here. First question, what is there here? They have given all the first aid one, when we should take first aid. Fainting, minor burns, deep cut, bee sting, minor cut. For one after one we shall see. Okay, fainting. Suppose if any person has fainted, what we should do immediately? We should call for a doctor. I told for you, we should make that person to lie down and see that head should be lower and the body point is upper also, no part. Yes or no? Then nobody should be crowded. Immediately we should call for a doctor, I told. So first answer is what, children? B. One answer is B. Here also I have written, you can check. Second one, minor burns. Burns means what at all? Kalipodam. Okay, if anywhere it is burned, what you should do? Immediately you should wash the cold water and put an ice cube on it, and you should apply the calamine lotion on the affected area. Okay, this lotion you should apply where it is burnt. So second answer is A, I have written here. Now moving to the third one, deep cut. See, in cuts also two cuts are there. Fifth one, if you observe, minor cut is there. Third one is there, means deep cut. Minor means what I told, small. Very smallly it is cut means what we should do? Deeply. If it is cutted means what you should do. If it is minor cut, first I am saying about minor cut, say. If it is cut only some means immediately we should wash the cut with the, and after washing the cut we should apply the antiseptic solution. Okay, we should wash that cut with the antiseptic solution. But if it is cutted deeply, what you should do? You can tie a bandage where it is affected, where the area is affected. Understood the difference between two? Minor means only some it will be cut. Deep means so much deeply if it is cut, we should apply the bandage. In these two you should not confuse. Minor means you should write the antiseptic solution. Deep cut means what you should write? Putting or tying a bandage on the affected area. Last one is what? Bee sting. Bee sting means what? Immediately we should remove that sting. Yes or no? I have written here answers. You see, B, A, D, E, C are the answers. Now move to the question answers. First we shall see short question answers. I am zooming it. Here first question, is it clear for you? I will read. You can understand so that. First question, what is there here, children? Where on the road should we cross it? Where you should cross, I told? We should always cross the road at zebra crossing. What is the answer? Zebra crossing. You should write in full sentence. We should always cross the road at zebra crossing. Now moving to the second question. What is the first medical help that an injured person needs called? Okay, if any person is injured, first medical help, what will give for him? What is the name of that? First aid. Yes or no? So what is the answer? The first whole it is there in the question only from here. The first medical help that an injured person needs is called what, children? First aid. F-I-R-S-T, first. This is A-I-D. I am writing here. You see aid spelling again. Here it is not proper. No. A-I-D. Aid. Okay. Now moving to the third question. What is the question? Why should we avoid wearing synthetic clothes while working in the kitchen? Synthetic means what? Nylon clothes, I told. Mainly in swimming pools they will wear this type of clothes. No, they will be sticky to our body. If you wear such type of clothes and go to the kitchen and do any work, immediately what will happen? Their fire is there. Suppose they are cooking. You are cooking. That fire will be catched easily if you wear this nylon clothes. So what clothes you should wear? Cotton clothes you should wear mostly when you go into the kitchen. Okay, answer is what? because they can catch fire easily. Here I wrote in one word only. Better you write this one. In this way you write. Whole question what is there you copy. We should avoid. This is the answer. This answer you write. Or means this is the one type answer I have given. This is the second type. Here only in one word I have given. Here in one sentence I have given. Write in this way. Second type you should write. We should avoid wearing synthetic clothes while working in the kitchen because they can catch fire easily. This is our answer. Okay. Now moving to the fourth question. See, what might happen if we suddenly jump off a seesaw? What will happen if you suddenly jump off a seesaw? We will fall down and get hurt. Yes or no? That only I have written here. See, if we suddenly jump off a seesaw, we will fall down and get hurt. Okay, this is our answer. Now last short question answer. Name any two common emergencies that need first aid. Many I have given you what all emergencies you need to take first aid. In that any two you can write here. Here I have written minor cuts and minor burns. You can write anything, bee sting, deep cut, yes or no, minor cuts. All I have told for you know in that any two you can write. So minor cuts and minor burns are the names of the two common emergencies that need first aid. Okay, minor spelling is what? M-I-N-O-R, minor. C-U-T-S is cuts. Burns means B-U-R-N-S, burns. So this is our answer. Now moving to the long question answers. I am zooming it. See here children, first question what is there here? Any two safety rules that we should observe at the home. Okay, while you are staying at home, what all are the safety rules I have told for you. In that any two you can write. Here I have given 3 points. In these 3 you can write any two. Who want to write 3 you can write 3 also. Read the question. In the question how many they ask, that many you should write. Here they have asked 2. If you write 2 enough. First one is we should avoid walking on the wet floor as we may slip and get hurt. Yes or no? If you walk on the wet floor, you may slip and get hurt. Second one, children should never play with the matchboxes, knives or scissors. Okay, you should not play with the matchboxes, knives or scissors. Last one is what? We should never touch the electrical switches with the wet hands. If you touch with the electrical switches with wet hands, what will happen? You may get electric shock. Yes or no? So 3 rules, safety rules I have given. In this any 2 you can write. Moving to the second question. See here. What is the question? Read it. What precautions should you take to avoid the accidents? First one, ABTs at playground, BBTs at school. Okay. What all precautions you should take for avoiding the accident? First at playground we shall see. What precautions you should take at playground? First one, we should not play rough games. Rough games means what I told, like fighting, chasing, such one you should not do. You should not play such type of rough games. Second one is what? We should follow the rules of the game. Yes or no? We should follow all the rules of the game. So these are the precautions you need to take at the playground. Next one, at school what we should take? First one is what? We should not throw things around. Yes or no? How you will keep your home neatly, in the same way you should keep your classroom and your school also neat. So you should not throw all the waste things around in the classroom or in the school. Second one, we should not climb on desks and chairs. Yes or no? If you climb on desks and chairs in the class, and what will happen? You may slip and fall. Okay, these are the precautions you need to take at the school. Now moving to the third question. I am zooming it, see here. What is the third question, children? Why should we not run up and down the stairs? Stairs means what I told for you, steps. Why you should not run up and down? If you run, what will happen? What will happen? You will push each other and there is a chance of slipping and falling. Instead of that, if you go in a line properly, nobody will fall, nobody will push, right? So every time, any time you should not run up and down on the stairs. So what I have written, see answer. We should not run up and down the stairs as we may fall and hurt ourselves and others. Yes or no? You will fall and you will hurt yourselves and also others. Okay. Next, moving to the fourth question. Write any two safety rules that should follow on the playground. Just now I have given already precautions there. That only you can write here. Same answer. Or this one. Any two rules if you write, enough. Safety rules. What I told first one, we should wait for our turn at the ride. Okay. Anytime you are riding means you should wait for your turn. Otherwise you will fall. Next one, you should follow the rules of the game. This point I have given there also. Any 2 points you can write, whatever you should follow in the playground. Okay. Next, last question is what's your... Is it safe to walk on the wet floor? Why? Is it safe to walk on the wet floor? Children say no. We should not walk on the wet floor. Why? Because you will slip and fall and then you will get hurt also. So what I wrote here, no, it is not safe to walk on the wet floor because we may slip and get hurt. Yes or no? What I told, again I am reading. No, it is not safe to walk on the wet floor because we may slip and get hurt. Okay. By this we have completed our third lesson notes also. In the next video I will come with the fourth lesson. Till then, bye. Children, be at home and be safe. Play outside. Okay. If you like this channel also, please like, share and subscribe our channel Smart Study.